How to convert Lazada Pay Later to Gcash. The first things first is, of course, make sure that your Lazada account is already eligible or available for Lazada Pay Later. Now, if everything is set, all you have to do is to go from the dashboard of your Lazada app, and then on the search bar, just type in vouchers for Gcash. Now in here, you'll just have to choose on your desired amount and then make sure that you are currently checking on a specific card that will be legit, or you can go ahead and take advantage with the specific ratings of that certain price right here. So for example, you want this one. All you have to do is tap on buy now, and if your Lazada Pay Later is already available from your account, all you have to do is to tap on View All Methods and just choose on your Lazada Pay Later, choose on the desired payment date you want it to be made, and you should be able to convert your Lazada Pay Later to Gcash.